Okay, this one's going to be on American law. First thing, in a court, you can go in as a friend of the court. You can have someone else come in to be the prosecutor in that court, in the American system of law. You don't need to have the county prosecutor or the U.S. prosecutor or U.S. attorney if they are a bar card member. They are for the dead world. You go in, you get them out of there. In the American system of law, the dead or the bar card attorneys are barred from any action. So you go in, you can either be the prosecutor yourself, excuse me, or you can have someone else come in and be your prosecutor. Okay? You come in and you as the living now establish yourself that you are the plaintiff. You are the body of land. And then your fictional dead person who is on the contract or on the item under the statutory law, under the dead laws out there, is the defendant. He's the one that has the insurance policy or whatever that basically is being charged or to have the discharge drawn from. So you have to go in as the living, doing a cross action, maybe, that you shouldn't even need to do that. You just get rid of the dead out of the court, then the county attorney, like I said, who is an attorney, a bar member, the U.S. attorney, a bar member, get rid of them. So you're either going to be the U.S., the we prosecutor, or the plaintiff. You can be both, or you can get a friend of the court to come in and be your U.S. or we prosecutor in the case. The judge is also a bar member. And so in the American law system, he has to sit there and remain mute. You come in, you make the ruling a tribunal ruling. Then you issue out the item over to have the court, to the clerk of the court, who is the medium in between the world of the living and the world of the dead, to have the order given to the judge to sign. And then the judge would sign the order and have the thing processed. Now you can come in and utilize your driver's license as an instrument to pay the traffic ticket. You can use your property tax, title deed to your property, to basically force the payment of that property tax. It's an insurance policy. It's a government security. So now you can start utilizing what has been deprived from us by the dead world. Get rid of the dead and replace them with the living. Pretty simple. Now there's two different ways you can go about trying to close down the account with your certificate of live birth, terminate the Social Security account, and also pick up DD-214 forms, military bounty, continuous discharging certificates, and that is to file them into either file a charge into a federal district court or go to the federal district bankruptcy court. And then you come in as the living and you prosecute, and you are the plaintiff, and you do a tribunal ruling, hand it over to the clerk of the court to give the order to the judge. Judge signs it, gives it back to the clerk of the court. The clerk of the court then has to process the thing. Pretty simple. Stop making a mockery of the legal system that's available to you. You're arguing with the dead in most cases out here. That's contempt of court, because you are messing with the dead. That's what a contempt of court really is. So, wake up. Okay? Have a good day.